In the video we show you the installation of the RJ45-Jack CobiNet KS. Use the stripping tool to remove the jacket 3 up to 4 cm. Strip back the cable braid. Scratch the parafoils just before the cable jacket begins and remove them. Fasten the self-adhesive copper tape around the cable jacket that it will cover the previously pushed back braid. Compress the overlaying braid into a strand and cut it off. Now pre-sort the wire pairs orange-white and brown-white according to IEEE 568B. You can also install the jack according to IEEE 56A. The codes are printed on the wire sorter for your information. Please cut the pre-sorted wires slightly diagonally. Take the wire sorter and insert the wires into the lower insertion. Fasten the cable with the pre-assembled cable tie. Insert the remaining wires into the upper wire guides of the wire sorter according to the coding. Cut all wires and the cable tie flush with the cutter. Insert the assembled wire sorter into the groove of the jack body and crimp the jack with the parallel crimping tool. The data jack is now installed, ready for use.